Presenting the Brother HL-L2321D single-function monochrome laser printer with auto duplex printing. The printer is ideal for regular or frequent small office and enterprise use with high volume printing requirements of more than 300 pages per month at fast speeds. The printer uses LaserJet technology, which provides fast prints at low cost. This printer can perform print function only. It can only print in black and white. Connect to the printer using the USB cable. You get a high printing speed of up to 30 black and white pages per minute. This printer supports multiple paper sizes to help you with various printing needs. Save cost on your print requirements. Print using original toner at a cost of just 1.5 rupees for black and white prints. Compatible laser toner is the TN2365 standard toner cartridge. One cartridge comes free with this printer. Print professional two-sided documents and booklets using the automatic duplex printing feature. This printer comes with power cable, driver CD, and USB connect cable. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.